we go to update the operating program on our expanded data logging unit, we'll need to gain access to the DA30 on the inside. So to do that, we'll start with it plugged in and turned on. And then with a flathead screwdriver, let's go ahead and open up the latch to the front door and open up the panel door. It will look like this on the inside. We'll need to use a USB to a USB Type B cord. Plug the USB end into your computer and a USB Type B cord into the very bottom port of our DA30 device here. Just like that. And then we'll move on to our computer.
Now with the data acquisition unit connected to our computer, we'll need to install the Crimson 3.1 software. On a web browser, let's search for Crimson 3.1, and it will be this first link that shows up on Google. So this is the website. Just click on download and install this software. Once you have it installed, go ahead and open it up. It'll look like this when you first open it. Next, we're going to click on File and Open, and find the Data Acquisition Master Program. If you need a copy of this, just email Sterlitech and we can share a copy with you. So from here we'll click on Open. You'll know it's open when the title bar now is titled the Data Acquisition Master Program, and you can click on Display Pages just to confirm, but this will show the front page of the program. So to update this and send it to our device, we're going to click on Link, and when to set up the connection, we're going to click on Options. From here, make sure USB is selected, click OK. Now click on Link one more time and select Send. This will send it to your device. You'll notice your device will start flashing lights and you'll hear a beep when it's done. From there, go ahead and select Link one more time. We just want to make sure we update the time so that it's logging at your local time zone. Click on Send Time.